Stampede Steel Manufacturers Incorporated started production in 1991 in Linden, Alberta, Canada. The company has rapidly grown into a major supplier to producers both large and small. The demand for products by U.S. ranchers has grown rapidly, and today the Stampede Steel products are being manufactured in facilities in Marlow, Oklahoma. Both plants focus on manufacturing of quality Stampede Steel products, ranging from manual and hydraulic chutes, S-alleys and crowding tubs, to loading chutes and more. The company manufactures a full line of innovative ranch equipment and offers a comprehensive warranty program. The customer service provided by Stampede Steel is unmatched. Now let's take a closer look at the Stampede products and innovation the company has brought to the industry. Stampede Steel manufactures two types of manual chutes that weigh over a ton, the 2K self-catch and the manual squeeze. The parallel axis squeezing motion accommodates everything from a 200-pound calf up to a 2,800-pound bull. Both heavy-duty models feature front and rear controls, neck extenders, and neck ejection doors, as well as the unique brisket bar. Stampede Steel offers the most access to your livestock than any chute on the market. Available options include a load bar scale system, double Dutch doors, sure catch, or sunrise. The 2K self-catch squeeze comes with a state-of-the-art head catch available with right or left-hand controls. The head gate is chain-driven, which means there are no cables and adjustments can be made in an instant. The chute's innovative rear action design keeps you and your crew out of the flight zone, making for safe and efficient cattle handling. Greg and Louise Schaefer own and operate a seed stock operation, and Stampede Steel has making working cattle an enjoyable experience for their two-person operation.
Hi, we're Greg and Louise Schaefer. Northern California, actually Orland, California is where we live. We've had the Stampede Steel set up for 3 years now. We are very pleased with it. We calve with a spring herd and a fall herd. So we spend, it seems like every other week we're putting cattle through that chute. We enjoy the fact that you can work the calves and then turn right around and with just a couple of adjustments work the cows.
For producers with horned cattle, cattle with attitude, or just operators that want a guaranteed catch every time, Stampede Steel has designed the Sure Catch. This option is a Stampede Steel exclusive and features a swinging catch gate on the front of the chute. Stampede worked with a team from Two Bulls Productions, a bucking bull breeder and stock contractor from Oklahoma, to test and bring the Sure Catch design from the drawing board to the finished product. This option is available on all manual and hydraulic squeeze chutes.
My name is Jim McLean. My partners, Brent Bullard and Mike Sellers, own and operate the 4B Performance Bull Ranch here in Duncan, Oklahoma. We run about a little over 200 head of hot-blooded bucking bred and fighting bred cattle here on our operation. Extremely dangerous animals, a lot of horn, big, athletic. These cattle are definitely athletes, but they're very dangerous, very hard to handle. Over the years, one of our biggest problems has been how to work these cattle with the least amount of stress on them and the least amount of danger and stress on us. And we've tried every kind of equipment there is. We went to Mike Fahey and Jim Hill and Carter and the guys at Stampede Steel and told them what problems we run into with equipment that we've had and the kind of cattle that we've got. And they sat down at the table and went to designing, and they drew up, basically come out of it was the Sure Catch system. And we looked at it, thought, man, I think this could really help a lot with us. Biggest problem with these chutes is when you've got big horned cattle, especially big stout cattle, they come through these chutes so fast it's hard to catch their heads. So with this system, they were able to allow the cattle to come through the chute and come to here before you go to try to catch their necks and their heads, and then this swings out of the way. It was great. It was exactly what we needed.
Stampede takes the hassle out of working cattle to the next level with its line of hydraulic chutes. Producers have two options to choose from: the standard hydraulic squeeze and the Rancher's Choice hydraulic models. The chutes feature heavy-duty construction with an emphasis on noise reduction in the handling area. The bifold action head gate is completely parallel from top to bottom, resulting in better comfort for the cattle. The design also eliminates the possibility of choking. Chutes are available with the traditional load bar or overhead scale systems and the optional pivot arm, allowing you to operate the squeeze from front, rear, right, or left. The arm pivots 340 degrees, allowing the operator to be in any position to the animal in the chute and completely out of the flight zone of the livestock. The sales team at Stampede Steel consists of ranchers who themselves own and operate the equipment and are aware of the needs of their customers. Jason Cox is one customer who feels the investment in Stampede Steel was the right decision.
Stampede Steel quality products backed by customer service provided at my ranch makes me a happy customer.
The Rancher's Choice model comes standard with palpation doors, overhead pivot control arm, 5-horsepower pack, and double Dutch doors allowing for the access to the bottom portion of the animal in the chute. Available options include the hydraulic head restraint, transport unit, and overhead scale system. Larry Wortham invested in a Stampede Steel Rancher's Choice chute, S-alley, double lead-in, and crowding tub. Let's listen to what he has to say about the equipment.
Hi, I'm Larry Wortham. My relationship with Stampede Steel started 2 years ago when I became a partner in Stampede Sales, the U.S. division. I'm sold on the innovative equipment, the chutes, the alleys, the tubs. I'm a cattleman myself. I have a complete system set up on my ranch. I can attest to the ease of the operation of the equipment on the cattle. I recommend highly, and in my opinion, this is the best equipment on the market today to assist the cattleman.
Stampede Steel hydraulic chutes are real time savers. Put one to work for you in your operation and see what all the fuss is about. Stampede Steel's innovative alley design allows cattle to flow naturally through the system into the chute, making for less stress on both the animal and the operator. Stampede Steel has taken the S-curve concept to the next level by allowing both sides of the alley to move with equal pressure. This advantage enables the producer to set the width of the alley to match the size of the animals flowing through the system. This S-curve allows for the natural flow of cattle through the alley and into the chute. Stampede's S-curve design gives new meaning to the old saying, go with the flow. Smaller producers enjoy the benefits of the natural flow of cattle through the S-alley since manpower is limited, such as a case at Schaefer Enget Ranch. The single S-alley is available in 20 or 30 foot lengths with right or left hand controls. The alley has 4 settings from 16 to 31 inches in width. Two Bulls Productions was pleasantly surprised at how their large-framed bucking bulls worked through the extended S-alley. Solaire Brothers depends upon the natural flow of cattle through the alley in order to process the maximum number of head through the system, not only in the least amount of time, but also with the least amount of stress. Most ranchers are familiar with crowding tubs and the advantages of using one to work cattle. Stampede Steel's take on it, however, is an entirely new experience. The crowding tub does more than just what the name implies. A unique double pivoting gate eliminates all corners in the tub as you push cattle into the alley. Let's watch and see how the tub works for Larry Wortham. The 5-section full tub is 20 feet in diameter with a 10-foot radius. A right or left-handed system is available, and the tub height is 8 feet with each panel standing 65.5 inches tall. Another feature is the exit door for loadout or redirecting cattle. If you only need a 2/3 system, Stampede offers one as well. Stampede Steel produces heavy-duty loading chutes that are safe and efficient. Loading chutes are made from 14 and 11 gauge sheeting and come in 17-foot lengths to maximize the incline for easy loading. Chutes feature a self-adjusting bumper and can be designed to meet your needs. A 12-foot loading ramp is also available from Stampede. This steel-constructed adjustable loading ramp can do it all and is available with an optional transport unit. Stampede Steel products are manufactured in the U.S. from start to finish in the Marlow, Oklahoma plant. Stampede Steel realizes that ranching is not a 9-to-5 job, and they dedicate countless hours to serving customers. Stampede staff has the knowledge, expertise, and ability to meet your handling needs.
I've owned my setup from Stampede Steel a little less than 1 year. The functionality and workmanship are second to none. My name is Dennis Dyke. I purchased a self-catching chute, a palpation cage, a S-alley, and a tub. And since that purchase, it's been making work cattle such a dream. Before then, it was a nightmare, and I dreaded even doing it. But since then, everything works real well. Besides the equipment they manufacture, the customer service is phenomenal. They, anytime you have questions, they're more than willing to help. They developed this equipment with consumer mindedness, and when them doing that, it's made everything work good. I've looked at many other systems before I purchased this one, and this one's by far the best there is in the market.
The sales force is made up of ranchers who understand your needs. They are not simply showroom salesmen that merchandise a particular product line without having used it in their own ranching operations. They take their knowledge of the industry and combine it with your needs to develop a safe and efficient cattle handling system. The Stampede sales team will work with you to set up a system to meet your needs. They offer free consultation on the layout of your system, and once you have decided on one, a member of the sales team can assist you in the delivery and setup at your ranch. They are there for you to put the system together and get you going. The team at Stampede is more than just a sales force that knows the business. Once you invest in Stampede equipment, they help you in any way possible.